Okay, now we will go to practicality. Now we will consider an example in which what is the average height of US presidents. So aggregates available in Numpy can be extremely useful for summarizing a set of values. As a simple example, let us consider heights of all US presidents. This data is available in the file here. Here it is. Here is the link. You can download it. Here is the link. Go to www.github.com, then /jakevdb/python data science handbook, and then you can go here. Okay, so now click that file and go to that option find raw, and when you will click the raw, save the file. You can save the file at the desktop. That file will be saved as a CSV, which is a simple comma separated list of labels and values. Then now we will see some data. We'll use the pandas package, which we'll explore later on in the next section. To read the file and extract this information, note that the heights are measured in centimeters. I've saved the file in desktop, so I will write it from desktop. I will starting off import pandas as pd data is equals to pd dot read csv desktop slash, make sure the spellings are correct, president dot csv heights and p dot array data, the square bracket, we want heights in centimeter, print heights. We got an error. Let's look at the error. Dot array. Import pandas as pd data is equals to pd dot read csv, then desktop president heights, recurring heights is equal to np dot array. I guess we did everything right. I don't know where we're getting the error. So let's fix this error. Heights, key error in centimeter. Oh, we should use height. Yes, we got. So there is slightly spelling mistake. We put heights instead of height, and now we got the result. This 117 is with 173, and this 18 is with 3. So it is 173 and 182 respectively. Now that we have this data array, we can compute a variety of summary statistics. Starting off with the print mean height 1 2 3 4 5. Heights dot mean. Now let's copy that down. This is standard deviation. Deviation heights dot std. Now minimum height min maximum. So we got the result here that mean height is this 179.74, standard deviation is 6.93, minimum height is 163, and maximum height is 193. Note that in each case the aggregation operation reduced the entire array to a single summarizing value, which gives us information about the distribution of values. We may also wish to compute quantiles. Let's compute quantiles. Print 25th quantile. Np dot print. Let's copy that down. 75. This results in this. So we see that the median height of US presidents is 182 or just shy of 6 feet. Of course, sometimes it's more useful to see a visual representation of this data, which we can accomplish using tools in matplotlib. We'll discuss matplotlib in further sections. So for example, this code generates the graph we will compute here. Lib in line import dot pyplot as plt import cborn .sct set plot style. Now plot histogram HIST of heights, plot title height history of US presidents, plot X label height plot Y label. Now Let us see what this generates. So this generated a graph, you can see here. So these aggregates are some of the fundamental pieces of exploratory data analysis that we will explore in more depth in later sections of the course.